Hi, friends!
Sydney Mines, Nova Scotia is a vibrant community on Cape Breton Island. It was originally called Commujuepsquecatic, which means place of the coal in Mi'kmaq. During the American Revolution, the British used coal from Sydney Mines to supply loyalists in Boston and Halifax. In 1776, John Paul Jones attempted to free American prisoners working in the coal mines but captured another vessel instead. The British started developing the mining site in 1777, and coal was being strip-mined and shipped out as early as 1724. In 1902, the Nova Scotia Steel and Coal Company built a steel plant in Sydney Mines. Together with the steel plant in Sydney owned by the Dominion Iron and Steel Company, they produced over 50% of Canada's steel during World War I. Later, the plant was sold to the British Empire Steel Corporation and eventually stopped operations. Today, while coal mining has ceased, Sydney Mines remains a lively community. The Sydney Mines Heritage Museum offers interactive exhibits that showcase the town's rich cultural heritage. Sydney Mines has a rich past tied to coal mining and steel production, making it an important part of Nova Scotia's history.
watching.